Cross my fingers and hope that it doesn't leak. I'm gonna put some water in. And we'll see. You can definitely hear that misfire now. I don't know if the injector is bad or if wiring is bad. We'll look at that later. But I added some water. I doubt it's leaking. There's no way it's wet. But it's not running hot yet. It's been a decent amount of time. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it around the church parking lot, see if she gets warm.